Hi everyone, I'm Lauren from A Menagerie of Stitches. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the crab stitch. This stitch is also sometimes referred to as the reverse single crochet. This stitch gives a ridge effect along the top of your piece, making it great for borders and edges. The crab stitch is essentially a single crochet but worked in the opposite direction. So we typically work our stitches from right to left, but for a crab stitch, we actually work from left to right. Let me show you how to do that. To start, we're going to chain one, and now we're going to be working in the opposite direction. We're going to skip this first stitch, so you have the chain one, your first stitch, and we're going to work into the second stitch right here. You're going to insert your crochet hook, so it should look like this. Yarn over and pull through, and then you'll have two loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through, and that's going to complete your single crochet. So it should look something like this. Now let's work into the next stitch. You're just going to insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through a loop, then yarn over to complete your single crochet. Now I'm just going to work across the entire edge of this piece. And once you get to the end, you can see that you now have a set of ridges along the top. And that's going to be the crab stitch. Now I'm going to show what it would look like if you were to work this in the round. So you're still going to chain one. You're going to skip that first single crochet. So you have your chain one, your first single crochet. Now we're going to work into the second. So you're just going to do the same thing like you would for a piece that is flat. Insert your crochet hook and yarn over. When you pull that yarn through, you're going to yarn over again to complete your stitch. So insert into the stitch like so, yarn over and pull through, and you should have your two loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through to complete the stitch. And you're just going to continue this all the way around. And it's no different than a flat piece, and you can start to see the ridges start to take effect. Now that you've made it back to the start of the round, you're going to be able to see this little gap here. And otherwise you would just fasten this off, but in order to get rid of this gap, what I like to do is I insert my hook back into that chain one area. So you're just going to insert your crochet hook like so. And you're going to make one more crab stitch. And then it closes up that gap. Now I'm just going to fasten off. Then I'm going to pull this tail all the way through, give it a nice little tug, and then you'll be able to weave this back into the inside of the piece. So with my yarn needle, I'm just going to weave this in, and you can just insert this tail part going into this area right here. So just pick up underneath and pull that through. And then as you can see, me pulling that through made it so that it was flush with the other crab stitches. And then you can just weave this into your stitches in the back. And I'll just put this inside for visual purposes. And there you go. And that is how you're going to do the crab stitch in the round. And that's how you make the crab stitch. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and free patterns. Happy crocheting, friends!